You don't see it right now, but my game is framing right now, and the picture is not smooth. My game now works in 30 FPS, and now I'm gonna show you how to change FPS limit in Forever Winter game. To do that, you should open Options, then find Display on the upper part of your screen, and here find Frame Rate Limit, and you can change it up to unlimited. And then when you will enable unlimited frame rate limit, so you will be limited only the performance of your computer. So for example, I want to use max 120 FPS, so this is good. It will give me good smooth of picture, so I will play with these settings. Thanks for watching, like this video, and bye, see you.